Digital marketing offers several benefits for business owners. Here are some of the key advantages. 1. Increased visibility. Digital marketing allows businesses to reach a global audience. Through online channels such as search engines, social media, and websites, you can increase your brand's visibility and reach potential customers worldwide. 2. Cost-effective. Compared to traditional marketing methods like print advertising and TV commercials, digital marketing is often more cost-effective. You can allocate your budget more efficiently and measure the return on investment (ROI) for each campaign. 3. Targeted advertising. Digital marketing allows you to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. This precision targeting ensures that your messages reach the right audience, increasing the likelihood of conversion. 4. Data and analytics. Digital marketing provides access to a wealth of data and analytics tools. You can track the performance of your campaigns in real time, allowing you to make data-driven decisions and adjust your strategies as needed. 5. Flexibility and adaptability. With digital marketing, you can quickly adapt your strategies based on changing market conditions, consumer behavior, and trends. This agility is crucial in today's fast-paced business environment. 6. Personalization. Personalized marketing messages can be tailored to individual customers based on their preferences and past interactions with your brand. This personalization can lead to higher engagement and conversion rates. 7. Improved customer engagement. Social media and email marketing allow businesses to engage with their customers directly. Responding to comments, addressing concerns, and providing valuable content can enhance customer loyalty. 8. 24/7 availability. Your online presence is available 24/7, allowing customers to access information, make purchases, or contact your business at any time, increasing convenience for your audience. 9. Competitive advantage. Many of your competitors are likely already using digital marketing strategies. By staying up to date with digital marketing trends and techniques, you can gain a competitive edge in your industry. 10. Measurable results. Digital marketing provides clear and measurable results. You can track metrics such as website traffic, conversion rates, email open rates, and more to assess the effectiveness of your campaigns. 11. Brand building. Consistent digital marketing efforts can help build a